Everything's choppy, everything's rough. It's getting hard to go fast. Still making it work though on the 776 machine, barking. What's good, guys? So I'm gonna be showing this new YZ250F setup off. The setup just absorbs everything very well. I'll go ahead and say it's the best setup so far that I have used. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that right now. Let you guys copy this down. But also the Yamaha, would also recommend that. Alright, I'm on a Sand Pit MX, I believe. We're gonna test this bike out. It's a pretty rough sand track, so it can showcase the suspension out. Show that you could just bounce around the track on this thing. This setup is insane. Recommend it to everyone on the Yamaha. Not very good at this game, and before I had this setup, could not make it even like 10 seconds around this track, so it's definitely helped me a lot. Does not like to tuck the front at all. You could just send or Yamaha also corners pretty well and is fast, so I feel like this is like the best bike, at least for me right now. It has good speed and handles good. Just kind of a good middle ground bike, I feel like, for anybody who feels like they want to switch over. But swapping right there, that's no good. Jump into the inside. Barely getting over that. And we're off track. I'm going to lay down one more lap on this. And then I'm going to rut it out a little bit. I put the erode on 2x, so it should have rut out pretty good. So let's get one more lap going here. I'll try and do like 10 laps or something like that. Get it a little bit more rough. One thing about this track is you need throttle control because the back end likes to come out for sure. So be careful of that. Taking that like a pro. Listen, it's hard to crash with this suspension. It's gonna have you flying around the track. Alright, I'm gonna do about 10 laps or so and hopefully it will rut out a bit. This is the track, around 11 laps, and as you can see, it's completely rutted out. Everything's sketchy now, so definitely don't run the erode at 2.0 like I did. I'd go 1.5 or lower, because look at that. Look at that, guys. Definitely lower than 2. But this Yamaha just handles it. Suspension's so smooth. Bouncing around everything, no big deal. I did throw a sand tire on this bike just for this track because there's very low traction. Even for a sand track, gotta have good throttle control for this track. The back end's coming right out. We are now at 15 laps, I believe, and it's getting a little bit unrideable at this point. Everything's choppy, everything's rough. It's getting hard to go fast. Still making it work though on the 776 machine, barking. Alright boys, it's late in the moto, we're trying to find our flow. The track's fucking destroyed, we're sliding out. We're gonna give her one more go before we retire the 776 bike on this track after a long day. Fuck, bud. But yeah, definitely a fun track to ride on. I'll put it in the description. That's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Here's the setup one more time if you did miss it. You want to copy it. Let's name that Yama Bark. You already know. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, comment, let me know how the setup is, if you guys are fucking with it or not. And yeah, just have a good day, guys.